Michelin was a Western European tire manufacturing company. In the early 70s, our CEO at the time decided that he wanted to come into North America. And he discovered a very special place called Nova Scotia. He sensed that there was a certain element of work ethic, intelligence, of innovation in the people here. And I've been coming to Nova Scotia for the last 25 years. I've had a wonderful opportunity to get to know people here. We are into second and even third generations of employees. They're even more loyal because of their parents, and in some cases grandparents' experience with the company. They try to make a difference. They are proud to work for this company. That's kind of the basis and the foundation of our success here. Any company that's looking to expand in North America should seriously consider Nova Scotia. They should look at all the elements of the geography, the infrastructure, the workforce. Nova Scotia has a potential for economic development that it's not realizing. And we would love to see other major manufacturing companies come into this province and also be successful.